Do you live in a big house, and you have many areas of your home you wish for it to get covered with security cameras? Well, I found out about a brand which produces high-quality security gadgets for you to secure your home. The Laxihub brand has a wide range of security products that can help you to keep your home secure. Today I will try out the Laxihub M1, O1, B1 and P2. These devices are perfect for people who want to be able to monitor their home in real time via the app that can be synced with every single home security gadget by Laxihub. The packaging looks really good, very professionally packed, and I can't wait to unbox and put all of them to good use. Let's proceed to unbox the first device, the Laxihub P2. It is a versatile indoor camera for you to monitor your home environment with pan tilt zoom enabled. So you can tilt and turn your camera 355 degrees all around to see all angles of your home. On first impressions, the camera feels solid and looks really well designed, sleek and modern. At the back of the camera, you will find the power port and reset button, conveniently designed to easily connect and power up. A USB power cable is provided to power up your camera. Next up is the Laxihub M1 Full HD Indoor Camera. It is a versatile camera designed to fit into your home for you to keep a close eye on what is going on in your home. On first look, the M1 camera looks really minimalistic and simple, compactly designed so it does not occupy much space. It looks really high quality too. At the side, you will locate the SD card slot where you can record footage and events onto your local SD card storage. At the back of the camera is the USB power port. It has a 360 rotatable base for ease of arrangement so you can adjust the angle of view to an ideal angle you desire for monitoring. Next, we have the Laxihub O1 Outdoor Camera. It is a waterproof camera built for all-day recording of your driveway, porch or gate. The packaging looks good too, very professionally designed with key specs listed on the outside of the box. On first look, the camera looks solid and well designed. It is IP65 waterproof so it can run all day under most harsh weather conditions. Great! Under the rubber cover, you will locate the SD card slot and reset key. Good design to keep water out from key components. Power up the camera with the power adapter provided. It records video in clear HD like the other cameras and provides all-day security monitoring with a built-in motion sensor to detect unusual movements. The AI and sound detection will trigger recording and a notification to your phone if anything unusual is going on. A great addition to the security device family. Next up is the Laxihub B1 battery-powered doorbell camera. Secure your door now with this doorbell camera, which helps notify you if someone rings your bell and supports all-day recording. It comes with a powerful rechargeable battery too, which lasts 6 months on a full charge. The doorbell looks really elegant too, with a blue hue on the doorbell button. It comes with a wireless chime which you can plug into any USB slot for it to chime a loud tone to alert you to any visitors. Now you can easily mount or hook this doorbell camera to your front door. So now we have unboxed all 4 products that we will be using in our home to improve the security monitoring around our house. What an amazing array of security devices for us to deter crime and keep our home safe. Now, download the Laxihub app from the App Store. Simply scan the QR code on the box to download it. Head over to your device App Store to download it. It should finish downloading in a few minutes. Power up the camera you want to configure while waiting. The camera LED indicator light should turn on to show it is ready to pair. On app, simply create an account to register all your devices on it. You can add your whole wide range of Laxihub devices to it. Just look at the wide array of selection. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure your camera. You may be required to let your home security camera scan the QR code on your screen. How cool is that? Once everything is configured, you can start viewing live footage from your phone. In-app, you can pan and tilt around if your camera supports pan and tilt, like this mode we have. The P2 camera allows us to pan and tilt around, which you can do so via the controls in-app. The video controls and video feed is smooth. Great start to my first time using this brand of security cameras. Adjust the camera resolution in-app. You can select which resolution to view the camera based on your internet bandwidth or preference. There is two-way audio communication for all models of the Laxihub cameras we are testing today. You can chat real-time with the person on the other side. Record footages or take snapshots of images on the camera real-time and save them to the app's album for future reference. Here is the Laxihub outdoor camera. When turned on, the LED indicator will light up. We will follow the same steps to configure all the rest of the security devices we got. It connects seamlessly over Wi-Fi and your setup should be really quick. Once setup is done, you will be notified in app. All of the cameras we tested here are built-in are night vision enabled, so you will be able to activate it in case there is completely no lights at all. The camera will still be able to view motion and record it clearly. Let's test it out. As you see, my fishes are still visible swimming around even in complete darkness. The camera records movement and objects well even in darkness. Awesome! Here we will check out the doorbell chime that comes along with the Laxihub B1 doorbell camera. It automatically connects and will chime if someone presses your doorbell camera. You will even get a notification of a visitor on your smartphone if you have the Laxihub app installed. After installation, it has a sleek and elegant look to it. It securely stays in place after installation and you can get your next guest to use it by pressing the doorbell chime. I love the futuristic design to it. Now all cameras are connected, you can clearly see all 4 cameras successfully synced to the app and you can stream all of them on your phone. One feature that is really useful is the pinch and zoom mode, where you can pinch and zoom in on live objects on your smartphone, great especially if you want to check on items far away from your camera. It has a really clear and full HD quality on it. Awesome! Let's check out the camera recording during daylight condition. The footage quality looks good, really clear and high definition. Capture all key details of the view in absolute high definition. As you see, all my goldfishes are captured on camera in detail. The cameras are motion activated, so you can get them to send you an in-app notification to notify you of unusual motion. No more need to keep checking your app when you have Laxihub's wide range of security gadgets with smart motion sensors built into it. Overall, I find the Laxihub security gadgets a good quality product. They produce reliable, affordable and comprehensive security cameras and smart solutions to enhance security in your home. For more information on this product, you can check the description box. Thank you for watching.